iPhone keyboard, fix iPhone keyboard not showing up. If the iPhone keyboard is not showing up when you need it, it can be frustrating. Here are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix this issue. 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. Press and hold the power button, or the side button on newer models, until the slide to power off slider appears. Slide it to power off your iPhone, then turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button again. 2. Check keyboard settings. Go to settings on your iPhone. Navigate to general keyboard. Ensure that the toggle next to allow full access is enabled. This allows third-party keyboards to function properly. If you're using a third-party keyboard, make sure it's selected as the active keyboard. 3. Force quit and relaunch the app. If the keyboard is not showing up in a specific app, try force quitting the app and relaunching it. Double-click the home button, or swipe up from the bottom of the screen on iPhones without a home button, to view your recently used apps. Swipe up on the app's preview to force quit it. Relaunch the app and see if the keyboard appears. 4. Update iOS and apps. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update to check for and install any available updates. Additionally, ensure that the app you're using is up to date. Open the App Store, go to the Updates tab, and update any pending app updates. 5. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Go to Settings General Reset. Select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your device passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. 6. Reset all settings. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Note that this will reset all settings to their default values, but your data will remain intact. Go to Settings General Reset. Select Reset All Settings and follow the prompts to confirm. 7. Contact Apple Support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, it may indicate a more significant software or hardware problem. In this case, contact Apple Support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of the iPhone keyboard not showing up.